Here's the hyaluronic acid powder after it has set all night. I used the 1 scoop and the 2 ounces of distilled water. I let it sit overnight and now it is a jelly substance. We have our face wash. It's nice and moist. We're going to take a clean brush and just put it all over the face. I like to keep this in the fridge so it keeps nice and cold. There's also like a mini little refrigerator that you can get, which is really cute. We're just gonna put it all over the face. You put this on before your moisturizers, morning and night. It sits nice under the makeup too. At night, I really load it on. And I mean, beautiful. Beautiful glazed donut look.